Today I'm going to show you how to add sound to your photos or videos on Snapchat. It's a fun way to enhance your snaps and make them more engaging. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, click on the Snapchat gallery located at the bottom left corner. This will take you to all your saved memories and camera roll. Next, select Camera Roll to find the specific photo or video you want to add sound to. Browse through your files and choose the one you wish to enhance with music. After selecting your photo or video, look for the menu button in the corner of your screen and click on it. From the options that appear, select the music icon. This will open up a library of songs available for you to choose from. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific song you'd like to add. Once you find the perfect track, click on it to select it. You can also adjust the segment of the song you want to use by dragging the slider so it fits your snap just right. Finally, once you're satisfied with your sound selection, click on Export at the bottom of the app to save your newly edited photo or video. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.